NIB Health Insurance Australia pricing. Explain what you get for your money. NIB is one of Australia's most popular health insurers, known for flexibility, simplicity, and value. But what do you really get for your money? The surprising truth is that NIB's plans can be some of the most affordable in the country, if you know how to choose the right one. For a single adult, NIB's basic hospital cover starts at around $95 Australian per month, while comprehensive packages for families or couples range between $250 and $400. Prices vary depending on your state, age, and any government rebates you qualify for. NIB offers 4 main hospital cover tiers: Basic, Bronze, Silver, and Gold. Basic Hospital Plus is great if you just want peace of mind for emergencies and essential surgeries. Bronze and Silver plans add coverage for joint reconstructions, heart and vascular issues, and mental health. Gold Top Hospital gives you the highest level of protection, including pregnancy, cataract surgery, and major procedures, often with private room options. Where NIB really shines is in its extras cover. You can mix and match dental, optical, physio, and even acupuncture or chiropractic care. A mid-level combined plan typically costs around $150 to $200 monthly, but with regular use, many members get more value back than they pay in premiums. NIB also offers international travel insurance, a nurse advice line, and discounts through its rewards partners. Plus, you can manage everything through the NIB app, from claims to receipts, in just a few taps. In short, NIB Health Insurance makes it easy to get private care that fits your lifestyle and budget. You're not just paying for treatment, you're paying for flexibility, speed, and smarter access to the healthcare you deserve.